Hello, this is Mr. Clark from Florida at TigerSim386. If you got any questions, comments, let me know. I want to show you something super cool on Edmodo. So when you go to your group or class or whatever you have on Edmodo, you go to your assignments tab. You can click and load whatever assignment you have previously, or if you want to make a new one, totally up to you. You can set the due date, so you can click on the due date that you want it, and even the time that you want it. And you can lock it after the assignment is due, or uncheck it and it does not lock it. You can add it to the gradebook or don't add it to the gradebook, totally up to you. Put a brief description in there. You can send it to your group or class period or however you have it set up, or you can even add it to multiple groups or class periods by just typing in the little search box right here. And that's not even the best part yet. The best part is right here. You want it, either the students can look at it or they can actually edit what you send by clicking make copies, and instead of having to photocopy hundreds of papers and keep track of it all, you can just send them a digital copy that they can change and modify on their own computer, and you can see it all through your account. So I'm going to send it to them, and that's done. That's pretty much it for that. Super good for staying green or cutting down on your copies that you make, and it's super handy for any class, even if it's your more traditional classes or strictly online classes. It can help you out tremendously. Again, my name is Mr. Clark. Hit me up if you got any questions. Thanks.